Hello friends, welcome to Shiva Academy. This video series is mainly to address the questions in the comments that I am receiving through mail or in the comment section. As a continuation of that, here is a very different question, and of course this scenario we will not be using 90% of the time. However, it is good to know. First, let me explain what is the question is about. Suppose if we are creating a function with a name, normally we will be accessing that function as part of the select statement by specifying that function name. Suppose if a table is also having the same named column, then when we are using that particular name as part of the select statement, the question is, will that particular name will refer to the table's column or will it access the function? So let me explain you with an example. So here is a function I am creating. The name of the function is called id, which is just returning 100. So obviously to call this function, we can use the select statement, something like this. Select function name from dual. So what will happen is this function will get called and this function will return 100. So the output of this select statement is 100. Fine. Now I am creating a table called emp. In that table, I am creating a column called id. Then in this table, I am populating like 3 records like Amit, Ravi, Kavin with 3 IDs for each row that I am committing the record. So now to get this information, I will be writing a select statement like select ID, ename from employee. So now the question here is that will this ID will call this or will access the data of this ID column, or will this ID will call this function? So this is the question. Okay, so the answer for this question is this ID, whatever we are referring here, will call or will access the column's name. So in this case, this will access the column information and it will return the data whatever is stored in this ID column. Of course, we answered for this question, but the next question will arise like, then how can we access the function as part of the select statement? Because in earlier example, as part of select statement, we are calling the function. But suppose if there is a need to call the id function as part of this select statement, then how can we do? Let's see how to call the function id as part of the same select statement. So I'm just creating the function. So the function is created, which is going to return 100. So I'm just calling the function from dual table. So it is just returning 100 as expected. So now let me just create a table called emp with column as id because we have created the function as id already. And I'm just populating 3 records into this table and I'm just committing. Fine. So informations are committed. So I just selected id and ename from this table. So this is expected because whenever we call this id name, by default it will refer to the column's name only. Okay. Now the question is, then how can I access the function as part of this? The answer is, when we want to call this function, we need to say the username dot function name. For example, user underscore a, which is what is connected to. So when you call like this, then this id will refer to the function and the first id, whatever I've highlighted here, will refer to the column's name or the column itself. So as I mentioned, when we are calling or when we are using the id, so this particular id will refer to the table's column and this particular id, that is the username dot id, will refer to the function id and it will return the data like this. If you want any questions to be answered, you can post it in the comment section or you can drop to this mail id. But before that, you can check whether a similar question has already been answered as part of the subscriber question series or as part of the interview question series. If you are not able to find your question here, please write back to me. I'll be happy to record and post as a new video. If you have learned something new, please like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for new feature video, interview question, SQL practical question and concept videos. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please click the bell icon if you want to receive instant notification whenever new videos are uploaded into this channel. Thank you.